Hello everyone, I am Puspa Rimal from OneCover Private Limited. OneCover Private Limited is a security company providing dependable securities and state-of-the-art security solutions to a diverse set of industries in Nepal and abroad. OneCover places itself at the frontier of the cybersecurity needs of every organization by providing bespoke security and risk management services and solutions. OneCover proudly announces Offensive Security Certified Professional OSCP via online. Offensive Security Certified Professional OSCP is a certification program that focuses on hands-on offensive information security skills. It consists of two parts, a nearly 24 hours pen testing exam and a documentation report due 24 hours after it. OSCP is a very hands-on skill. Before you take the OSCP exam, you are required to take the penetration testing with Kali PWK course. Taking the course is mandatory for you to become eligible to take the OSCP. In addition to the knowledge you gain from the course, it opens doors to several career opportunities in information security. Of course, those who pass get the bragging rights too. Registration link is given below in the description. Please contact us at 0140325008 for more information, or you can mail us at info@onecovernepal.com. You can also visit our website www.onecovernepal.com. Please like the videos and subscribe our channel as well hit the bell icons for more updates.